Women or men, what does it matter? Both of them have been included into human matter. Importance is what they had, they have, and will be later. Why dividing the notions and rights, although both have been together created? Do not forget, woman is who has given birth to all kind matter. Man is after from both side love, has been protector. The world is welcomed since human has been created. I don't know how many thousands of years have been passed, beside they have been denied. Obviously some women and men have been trampled from just not almost common matter. Instead of sharing rights and labors, some of them were careless and hidden. World turned day and night bros, men and women auto-determinated. So both notions are into human rights are finally gathered. But both sides shouldn't forget it, doesn't matter the side. Superiority of one side, unfortunately, will repeat the history that most of the world doesn't want. Let's all rights to be shared equally for a better world within each side. Not include into war and weapons politic, women, including human and men, called all kind. They are symbols of peace since humankind, so most of the world since ever want. Why not to wish for all around the world peacefully and calm life? Without dividing the sides, because man, woman doesn't matter. We are all humankind.